An estimated 6,000 to 8,000 thalassemia major children are born in Pakistan every year. The estimated carrier rate is 0.5% to 0.7% with 9.8 million carriers in the total population. Pakistan is among the highest thalassemia burden countries in the world. The commonly quoted figure for the country is 100,000 beta thalassemia major patients. Under its thalassemia major eradication program, HIWT International Welfare Trust has been providing 100% free of cost quality medical care and education to 270 registered star thalassemia children for the past 9 years. Considering the harsh realities of Pakistan, where 5 out of every 100 people are affected by the disorder, with approximately 9 million people afflicted with thalassemia minor and 90,000 to 100,000 people carrying thalassemia major.
We are taking care of around 270 patients free of charge. And the most important thing is that we are not only taking care of the children, but we are also counseling the parents for the well-being of the children time and again. And we are also taking and participating there in different activities for their entertainment.
Considering the self-water crisis, HIWT International Welfare Trust has launched Clean and Safe Water Project with provision of hand pumps, installation and water wells in all districts of Sindh. Under this project, 1,000 number of hand pumps will be installed and 250 numbers of water well will be provided in all districts.
We try to support by installing water pumps at various areas, underprivileged areas where there is scare of water or shortage of water and they cannot afford to put their own pumps or hand pumps. So we try to put hand pumps in their areas. In many other ways we try to reach to the people of underprivileged people.
Keeping the above-mentioned challenges in consideration for the vulnerable population of Pakistan, HIWT International Welfare Trust has launched free-of-cost cataract surgeries initiative to people who cannot afford the expenses of the cataract surgeries. As a guiding principle of HIWT International Welfare Trust, it is also a non-discriminative initiative aimed to serving humanities with care and respect for all.
आप अब कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं ऑपरेशन होने के बाद?
बड़ा अच्छा काम किया और बड़ा खुशी का हारा जी के माए बड़ा खुश अल्लाह इन्होंने होर अगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश करे सामी कि साडा इन्होंने पैना पाइयों का बड़ा काम किया ते बहुत ही इनके शुक्रिया।
HIWT International Welfare Trust, not only in Karachi but also all over Pakistan, distributed blankets and warm clothes amongst the deserving ones visiting their localities.
अल्लाह इनको बहुत देवे, खुशियाँ देवे और यार बहुत सर्दी थी, हम लोग कंबल दिया, मेहरबानी बहुत इनका, अल्लाह इनको आबाद करे।
COVID-19 and the recent spell of heavy rain and flooding in both rural and urban areas of Sindh have thrown a challenge unprecedented. The sufferings of human beings, the loss of property, the disruption of life has been really tragic and tremendous. We at HIWT International Welfare Trust has always risen to the challenges and have been always at the forefront of serving humanity without prejudice, without any differentiation. The only underlying and important cause to us is to help our fellow human beings in need. For that, we have started and initiated new services and projects in terms of helping people out who have lost their livelihood, who has lost their dwellings, and also at the same time they need support besides thalassemia in order to put their lives together.
Alhamdulillah, HIWT International Welfare Trust, not only in Karachi but also all over Pakistan, help the rain affectees by providing them food visiting their localities.
Education is one of the top priorities of HIWT. Yaqeen is an ongoing project to ensure that the next generation are more educated and the literacy levels increases across Pakistan. Vision of Yaqeen is to transform the lives of children belonging to the underprivileged areas of Pakistan through value-based education, and the slogan of Yaqeen is a journey of faith to educate Pakistan.